Alright, let's go find a new scrapyard for all this. That's what we're going to do today. New scrapyard. Alright, Paul and I are heading out to get rid of some of this scrap metal. And we're going to go to a new spot. So, yeah, Scrappy's going with us. Scrappy's going with us. And we're going to go to a new spot. So normally we would come down here to the light and make a left. This time we're going to come down here to the light and make a right. And go over the bridge into Wilmington, and let's see how we do. I know it's a little bit less money, a couple cents a pound right now. But I bet if I go there enough, they'll raise my price. We already went out scrapping this morning. Stopped at the Walmart dumpster, Paul and I, and Scrappy. We stopped at the Walmart dumpster, grabbed some things, then we went downtown and grabbed a few things. This is where I would normally turn if I was going to my old scrapyard, right there. Right there, that's AIC Recycling, and I'm trying for a new place. Let's see how we do. This way here, I'm making a right going into Wilmington. Wilmington, straight ahead. There we go. We just came across the Cape Fear River. There's cards in there.
Yeah, scrap with Grandpa.
Just came across the Cape Fear River, and we just make a right. And the recycling plant is literally right there. So I think it's only about 3 miles from where I was going.
This part's been here since the 70s.
Yeah, it's been here since I was a little kid. The only thing about it is they're 2 cents less on their scrap steel. I guess unless, like I say, you've been coming here for a long time. Yeah, Southern Metals Recycling, Wilmington, North Carolina. Alright, it says enter here. And well, because there's probably no way to turn around over there, and they don't want to get congested, so they just figure they'll run you through here real quick. Right. This one here runs you inside of a building.
That's cool.
A little different. Go through here, out the other door, unless I have non-ferrous. This is where they take all their non-ferrous items. This is a lot bigger place. A lot bigger place. This is so busy, they don't even take steel anymore. Wow. That's a new one. Used to be you go through there, back down into there, and drop your steel right there. Not anymore. Southern Metal Recycling. Damn seatbelt thing going off like crazy. Buzzer means go. Look, tells you weight, 10,720. Alright, this is all new to us. But, man, they got some massive stuff going on around here. They got a trailer unloading over there. Look at this stuff. I know my camera doesn't zoom, but look at this. Let me take you a look out here. A bunch of equipment going. Oh, guy over here welding, cutting, torch. This place is massive, and it's been raining, and the lot's not too bad. All right, this is gonna be different. Just waiting on him to come out. And I reckon they're gonna unload me the same way with that big old magnet. I hear money falling back there. Ready for me to pull up? That should do it. Yeah. That was easy. That was easy. I like this place a little bit. I like the ground, I can tell you that. Man, they got a pile of stuff. I like this. Kind of back up onto a kind of a hill and then dump it into a hole. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. Back up into a kind of a hill and dump it into a hole. Sweet. That's it, baby. Nice and clean. See how it works.
See his porch?
Yeah.
No, he does cut all day.
Yep. Cut, cut, cut. Stinky, stinky.
Right next door.
Is that what that is right there?
Yeah, it's keep your picture right there.
All them cars?
Yep. They get no one squish them. They squish them and send them out of here.
Go back around, get back on scale again. Look at our weight. I like that.
Yeah.
No skimming that way, is it?
No skimming.
Unless they can do something with them scales.
They send the cars out.
Yeah, he says he beeps the horn, then I get out.
Oh. Give me weight.
Yeah, then you go, unload, come back, he'll beep the horn. I'm not on the scale. Got to be in between them things, don't you?
No, whole thing's scale.
Huh?
Whole thing's scale. Weight 18 what D.
Oh.
What's your weight?
10,100. 10,100.
620 pounds.
Huh?
620 pounds.
So so we got a piece of paper over here, and we weighed in and weighed out, and we could actually see it. We weighed 10,720 on the way in, weighed 10,100 on the way out, which their numbers and my numbers don't add up. Mine says 700, I mean theirs says 760.
I said 620.
Ours says 620. Shoot, I wanted to go in that store back there.
Back up.
Alright, let's go check this other place out at the other end of the building.
Yeah, they got
Anyway, they gave me an extra few hundred pounds, I guess. I don't know what happened.
mighty nice of them.
Was nice of them. This ain't it, is it? I gotta turn around and go back there, I see. Oh yeah. There. I think I go back, just go back that way. The resale warehouse. Take a right. Alright, so we're gonna go check out the resale warehouse they got here. But either way, $60.80. I'll take that today.
Yeah, for a little bit of weight.
Oh, I didn't have hardly anything back there. This is my new scrapyard, and this scrapyard has a wholesale place where you can come here and buy stuff. So I'm liking this place a lot already. And you can buy it at, oh my God, Paul, that's solid steel. Solid steel plates. Look at that. Damn.
For your tractor, back in your tractor right there.
Man, build me a box out of them. Put all this stuff in it. Look at all this stuff.
Oh yeah. Wedges. Breech points.
Wow. Man. So this is a wholesale store, a resale store they got here. I want to check it out. And I figured I might as well bring y'all with me. My new scrap yard. I've been hearing about this place. Look at this. Resale chairs. Finished my cigarette, Paul. Probably wouldn't let me smoking in there. Any kind of metal you can think of is what I've been told. Chain, torches.
John Deere hood. Might fit on your tractor.
All right. There we go. Please come in, look around. Please handle steel carefully. It is heavy and sharp. If you need assistance, please see attendant. Safety guidelines. Shoes, shorts required. Open-toed shoes are not safe. Parents are solely responsible for children at all times. Please watch your step. This is an industrial setting. Please, no smoking in the warehouse. And this guy looks like he's been here for a while. And it doesn't look like he's going anywhere anytime soon. So let's take a walk around, guys.